For this installation, you'll need the following tools: a 3/16 Allen key, a 1/8 punch, a 5/64 punch, and a lightweight hammer. First, ensure that your rifle is not loaded and pointing in a safe direction. Remove bolt from the action by pressing upwards on the bolt stop release just in front of the trigger. Next, detach the stock from the action and barrel by removing the 2 guard screws from your chassis or rifle stock. Using an appropriately sized punch, remove the mounting pins to release the factory trigger. Be sure not to push the pins all the way out to ensure the bolt release assembly does not fall out. Tap the pins out just enough to remove the factory trigger. Be careful to punch the pins out from the small end of each pin. The rear bolt pin and the front sear pin are driven out in opposite directions from each other. Note the order and direction in which you remove the pins because you will reverse this process when installing your new Velocity trigger. Remove the factory trigger and reverse the process to install your new Velocity trigger. After inserting your new trigger and ensuring that everything is lined up, tap the rear bolt stop pin until it is flush with the bolt release. Next, tap in the front sear pin, but do not tap it in too far. If the pin is driven in too far, it will prevent the bolt release from functioning correctly. You can see the top sear has a circular notch where the mounting pin slides in. If the front sear pin is driven in too far, the sear will not be able to move freely, and you will not be able to reinsert your bolt after you have reassembled your rifle. To ensure the sear pin has not been driven in too far, press up on the bolt stop release to verify that it functions and moves freely. Reinstall the stock to the action and barrel. Ensure the chamber is clear. Put safety selector to the fire and safe positions and check to see that the trigger is functioning properly. One very unique feature found only in the Velocity Precision Remington 700 trigger is the ability to put the safety selector on safe in the fired position and then cock the bolt with the safety on. Congratulations! Your performance and accuracy upgrade is now complete, and you're now ready to hit the range.